When I'm doing outdoor activities, I want a pair of pants that is able to move with me. And even if I'm in the water or getting sweaty, it's not going to make me feel uncomfortable. I'm Gina with WTI, and I have the ultimate pair of versatile pants from Cycorld. These convert easily to accommodate whatever weather conditions or temperatures you might be encountering. I especially love that I could transition from walking around with long pants to having shorts on when I went paddleboarding. I could get them wet and they dried quickly and they didn't chafe. These even have the option to convert into like a capri style. You just fold up the cuff and then there's a little loop to connect it with a button. This gives you so many choices. I got the size medium, which is equivalent to a size 8. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I found that these fit me really well. As a seamstress, I always look for things like secure and straight stitching to see if it's a quality garment, and this definitely is. If you're an outdoor gal, pick up a pair of these pants in every single color. You are going to love them as much as I do, and that's my point of view.